Hello, so in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I've got on with my Orc Commando conversions. So before I begin, if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button somewhere around here and hit the bell button and you'll be told about more battle reports, conversions and how to save money in Warhammer 40k. As you probably guessed by the title of the video, this is about my Orc Commandos. Now these three you probably will have seen already on my Looter Burner kit conversion. Zoomed in a bit, see more focus, yeah. So you'll have seen these dudes already, which is pretty cool. And obviously the knob from is also featured in the Shadow War Armageddon. It's Grognak. He's my Commando Orc, just for fun. He's got a mecha boy body, which is cool. So I'll plop them to one side, so you've already seen those dudes. And these guys, I literally just converted from Orc boys. I wanted to make up some numbers, so all I did was cut the slug at the chopper. And there's some knives in the kit. I just cut them off, whammed them on. I haven't finished basing it, as you can tell. It's just a grey at the minute. And then I put a backpack. This is from the attack bike accessories. So that's them. Yeah, that's him with a down knife. So basically to distinguish him from normal Orc boys, so you can see that he's part of the sneaky cutter dudes. So this guy, same again, with a knife. He has got again from the attack bike. Been stealing stuff from the Space Marines, which is always fun. And there's certain people out there will appreciate that. So talking to you, you know what I'm about. And the last guy, his blade is more jaunty angle, I would argue. Jaunty, don't know if that's the term. Again, slugger chopper, and he's got a stick bomb. I tried to give them all backpacks that look a bit different. Again, another idea to give them a bit different. Obviously, that and the camo trousers. So when they're all together, let's plop them dudes there so you can get it back to focus out again. So I'll have them guys in there, and then when I've got that little squad, they can not quite deep strike, but they can pretty much zoom in anywhere. Find them into a bit of terrain. Put two of these bad boys, two big shooters in there, and 6 shots, and basically some cheeky, like annoying tactics, because they'll be, I think they get +2 to cover, so they'll be like a 4-up save, like Orcs used to get. So I could either put them in, or I could put 2 Burner boys in. Try to go for the one with the ninja mask and the ninja mask. Let's see if we can get it. Bandana ninja mask guy. So these dudes, again, these will provide for free, by the way. These guys will provide flamer, and they'll also provide like basically a power weapon, which is pretty cool. So if you get all them together with some decent cover, a decent save, 4-up save, someone gets near, they'll either get burned and shot and then assaulted. So they won't kill anything, but they'll be there to threaten something, which is the main deal with them. I think that's pretty much where I'm going to end the video. I wasn't meant to be doing a bit of a tactic video, but I'll probably do a proper one, more in depth, at a later date. So that's pretty much it. So if you like it, put some thumbs up. If you don't, put some comments down below, as ever. And yeah, that's it. Thank you.